Lady, where you do so long with the food?
Mommy, me hungry.
The next food we are about now, baby.
But you take too
That's
long.
why I don't want to be hungry. Lady, we're hungry and I walk to that woman and man just hurry back up the and man look all like me now. People out here, so. Shut up, I want to go to my yard, man. Lady, why not go join the line?
So now the line will join right or so?
No in front of me.
Miss me did it in line first.
I want that. I want you go come up. You go come up. You alright, sir?
Yes, I'm fine, my sister.
Okay, alright. How are you go with so much clothes?
I go outside to my girl in the car, man. I soon come back.
Oh, should I try them on?
Yeah, man, she
Oh, should I do it?
Yeah, man, she like car in the parking lot. I soon come back.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, I soon come
Same
back.
thing,
Yeah,
yeah.
alright, my sister. I soon.
Them film woman fully. Them can't have nice AC and go out of dog and try and close in the hot sun. Fool mad.
Hey, Dashouta. The customer will just leave a while ago. You couldn't give him a bag to put the things in?
Back for her. We might make him woman trying to close them. Him soon come back.
Hold on. You hear what you said to me a while ago?
Yeah.
Did the man pay for the clothes a
No,
while ago?
no, make him woman try and...
Dashouta, no, you know, sister, team, the man team, the clothes.
What is that?
Sir! Hello!
I want to look at TV, man. Sir!
I can't understand how to make the man leave with so much of the clothes items them. This calls for an emergency staff meeting. Where's Dashouta?
I think she's on bathroom, I don't know.
Dashouta!
Yeah! May I come? Yes, that.
You saw the clothes items on it too?
Yeah, never pay for trust it and them some of them.
Dashouta, let's come off of the phone, no man. This is serious, no man.
Yeah, pay tax alone. How?
So you're telling me that nobody saw when the man stepped out of here with all of the clothes items and know that he wasn't paying for them?
That woman that can chatty. I want them she knows them in a business go all of this. If you want one, if you close them, it's safe, you would then make sure say you're there. But you're going to road for lunch. But you never Scooby-Doo. Speaking of earlier, what's that now? Can't be ready for that my yard, you know. I want them to pick up the clothes off my line. Me hope so. I don't want to rain with them because me not close for real come work in the morning. I don't want to come here and smell like no wet dog. Long time I go beach, you know. I feel like I'm going to go to Elshire now go eat 2 fish and festival. I need a new bath suit. I want that story I'm going to sail out for the bath suit them.
Dashouta?
Yeah.
You heard all of what I just said?
Of course.
What did I say?
Same thing when you not say. That me I said so, yeah.
And you're in agreement with it?
Of course.
So you're now going to try to defend yourself?
Yeah, no, cause me agree. I saw it for go.
Okay.
No, right through.
Alright, cool. In that case, okay, you will be replacing Dashouta. Dashouta, you're only needed to come in 1 day for the week. Thank you.
I lie yourself.
Meeting is adjourned.
I lie you want some.
And the count up over the moon.
Shakwalisha, you soon done?
Mommy, me just a
Let me
star.
have to listen to all of them.
You always a do that. You can't listen to picnic for more than 5 minutes.
And you can't mind your business for more than 3.
Ah man, you're not bother with the argument.
Well, not come for me because I never send call you. You're too enough. All you do is stress me. But seriously, I never ban a fire.
So you think foreign people not have stress?
No like for we.
Stress are stress anywhere you go. And it no matter who you be. You need to relax more while and build you to miserable man.
Shakwalisha, go and go read your storybook to your father, because I don't want to hear it boring.
Yo, come in here, Shaki. Come read for daddy.
I have 3 more to read.
Okay. Are you restless? Disorganized? Do you have problems focusing on tasks? Are you hot-tempered? You might be suffering from ADHD. Adult attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is a mental disorder which can lead to poor work or school performance. It can also lead to unstable relationships. A lie. Then name it is. A mind is a terrible thing to waste. Protect your mental health.